Laundry rooms are often overlooked in design, but a beautifully designed laundry room can make everyday chores far more enjoyable. So my favorite parts about this laundry room are the open shelves and the fun wallpaper. They take a purely functional space and give it a sense of style. The open shelves give us a surface to decorate, and the fun wallpaper really brings the room to life. The large quartz countertops give us an awesome space for folding, and the oversized undermount Silgranite sink make this room beautifully functional. We've also incorporated a rod for hanging clothes that are delicate to put in the dryer, as well as very deep drawers that make super functional storage. So tiled flooring in a laundry room is essential. It's so nice not to have to worry about replacing all of your flooring if your laundry machine breaks. Here, the builder took it one step further and even installed a drain to avoid this issue. Thinking ahead about these surprises can avoid a lot of headaches in the future. Although laundry rooms can be forgotten when designing a home, it's so important to infuse some character into this space. Think about taking your laundry room to the next level by installing a feature wall or an awesome wallpaper, by selecting beautiful hardware, or thinking about the lighting as the jewelry of your home. So don't forget about your laundry room. It can be both beautiful and functional.